Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a little bit of rolling. I thought I'd make a little video of us rolling and how we do it. Some of those who do pay, y'all might be wondering why I'm leaving that right bar or trying to leave it a little bit lower than the left one. For some reason, I don't know why, I have found that when I roll with this baler, if you leave that bar, that right one, a little bit lower, the bale is level. But if you keep the bars level, for some reason the bale is going to be off. It's going to be leaning some. I don't know if it's the sensors are out of alignment or what, but yeah, that's what I have found with this baler. While I'm thinking about it, I was going to mention this. That's a hole. Anybody who has one of these rollers, this is a 459 megawatt John Deere round baler. Does any of y'all have a problem with the hay building up like that? For some reason, the belts will catch it and pull it up onto the, I don't know, up on there, and then it'll suck it up in the belts too. And if anybody knows what's causing that, please comment and know how to fix it. That's not good. We better hurry up and finish this field before that gets here. Really, actually, earlier today when we first started rolling, it actually started sprinkling on us. But it never got up hard enough to where we had to stop. But it was sprinkling a little bit on the windshield. I know I talk about this tractor a lot and how much power it has, but I never thought that I'd be able to go 9 miles an hour while rolling. To me, that's pretty impressive. Well, that's really not good. I don't think it's enough to stop us yet, but it's still coming down. Well, I don't think that's good. I was bailing along and I turn around to see this. Looks like the rim's even cracked. Right there. Right there. I mean, it's like these nuts have broken off and it looks like it cracked the rim. Doesn't look like it bent the frame or the axle or anything, which is good. But that's definitely going to stop us, and it's raining, as you can tell. 79 rolls. Well, that was 79 including that one, so about 78 full size rolls. Good grief. Yeah, we needed to clean that baby. That's why it was running hot. Or a little, well, not hot, but a little warm.
That would be it.
Well, hey, see, good thing we got that, or it'd all be in the radiator there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was gonna stop right after I finished cleaning up this stuff right here, but then I turned around and noticed that wheel about to fall off, so I stopped and was checking it out. So, well, that's it for today. We had that breakdown with the wheel, and besides, there's a little shower that came through that's just enough to stop us. But even if that rain hadn't come through, that wheel stopped us from going anymore. So we didn't finish. We got a new wheel ordered. It should be here Saturday. We've probably got about another hour left, hour and a half left on rolling. So it won't be too bad, but it'll be Saturday before we can go, because we got to get the wheel and put it back on and all that. So, all right, thank y'all for watching. See y'all next time.